Hey everybody, it's Mike here from the WeWrench shop and welcome to episode 14. In this episode, I am going to disassemble and tear down the front subframe assembly, which contains the suspension parts, the control arms, the struts, the springs, also the motor mounts and the steering components. Pretty cool stuff. Stay tuned.
All right, folks, so here's where we're at right now. I was able to get the engine out from underneath the car, and the next thing that we're going to do is take apart this front subframe assembly. Now, the one sticking point here are the struts, because they're very heavy and they want to lean. And the way that I did this, the wheels are kind of holding everything up. So I don't really know how I'm going to do this. I'm just going to start taking things apart, probably support it with some jack stands, probably support it with a jack. What I got to do is detach the lower control arms from both of those subframes. You can see there's two separate subframes. There's a subframe that holds the suspension up, which is this guy here, and then there's the actual engine carrier, but the control arms bolt to both of those members. So we're just going to take it one step at a time, get these heat shields out of the way, and we'll tear it down. It's looking super cool in here. I was filming some stuff for our other social media channel, so I have the rear end laid out like that. And the power plant. Well, it looks so good out of the car. Beautiful engine. Can't wait to tear it down. I really can't. All right, let's get this heat shield out of here. A couple of 10s. $10mm in here too. Next thing that I want to do is I want to detach this drag link from the idler arm and from the pitman arm. 17mm nuts. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen up these rear control arms here. This nut's a 22. Maybe I mixed them up. I want to make sure that these stay together. Now this one is going to be weird. This one will not come out of there because of clearance. So we're going to have to adjust a little bit. Okay. Oof, look at that. Now what we need is we need some support because everything wants to lean back. Okay, this will work now. Okay. Let's see what this does now. Yeah, it's just gonna like fall right off the jack stands, it looks like. Yep, there it goes. It's the weight of these struts. That's the problem. Let's let it drop. What harm can it do if it drops, right? So I just let it fall. I know it's a shame the wheel fell on its face, but they're getting refinished anyway. But with it in this position, it's certainly a lot easier to take apart. So I'm going to undo this control arm from the subframe here, and then I could, if I want to make things easy on myself, undo the strut here, 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 and here, as well as here and here, and maybe that'll make it a little easier. Needs a little more persuasion. That ain't coming off anytime soon. This is really stupid. I can't believe I'm doing this like this. I'm pretty embarrassed about it, to tell you the truth. So this is what we're reduced to. What we're left is this idler arm here, and the steering box, the drag link, the motor mounts, and then the front subframe will be completely clear. Okay, that's what that looks like. It looks like it was due for replacement. See that? All right. Ooh. Look at that, huh? Drag link. Steering box. That sounds really funny. All right, steering box. 2 bolts. We have a 19 millimeter that goes this way, and then this one is a 16. There's a bolt and a nut on each of them. Steering box. And mounting spacer. Motor mounts. And the front subframe is stripped. I'm really grateful for all the support that I've received so far. Make sure you check us out on all of our social media channels, Facebook at WeWrench Official, Instagram at WeWrench Official, and TikTok at WeWrench. So you can see the amazing progress on this project. My dream car, BMW E34 M5, complete rebuild and restoration.